Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their DYMO LabelManager series, the AC-DC adapter for models LM450, LM400, and LM350. This isn't just any power supply, it's a meticulously designed unit from Great Power Direct, crafted to ensure your label maker is always ready for action. Right out of the box, one immediately notices the advanced design and high portability of this adapter. Weighing in at a mere 4 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight, making it an ideal companion whether you're moving your label maker around the office, taking it to different job sites, or simply decluttering your workspace. The compact form factor means it won't add unnecessary bulk to your gear bag. What truly sets this power supply apart is its commitment to quality and reliability. The manufacturer, Great Power Direct, assures us that each unit is brand new and has undergone rigorous testing to ensure it arrives in great working condition. This isn't a refurbished part. It's an OEM equivalent, guaranteeing 100% compatibility with your specific DYMO LabelManager models. You can plug it in with confidence, knowing it will power your device just as effectively as the original. Safety is, of course, paramount when it comes to electronics, and this adapter meets all the crucial standards. It's FCC, CE, and RoHS SH certified, which means it adheres to strict guidelines for electrical safety and environmental responsibility. This peace of mind is invaluable, knowing that the power supply you're using is not only efficient, but also safe for your home or office environment. The barrel connector type ensures a secure and stable connection to your label maker, preventing accidental disconnections during use. Beyond the product itself, Great Power Direct emphasizes excellent customer service, which is always a welcome assurance. They back their product with a robust 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing users to try it out risk-free. Furthermore, a 1-year exchange policy provides long-term protection, demonstrating the manufacturer's confidence in the durability and performance of their adapter. This level of support truly elevates the overall value proposition. In essence, for anyone needing a reliable, safe, and highly portable power solution for their DYMO LabelManager LM450, LM400, or LM350, this AC-DC adapter from Great Power Direct stands out. Its advanced design, tested quality, adherence to safety standards, and comprehensive customer support make it an excellent choice to keep your label maker powered up and ready for any task.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.